It's my new subwoofer from Klipsch. It's a reference R-112SW 12-inch subwoofer. A 112 front firing subwoofer. It's big. Loud and proud. Since 1946. In 1946, Paul V. Klipsch revolutionized the audio industry by creating the acoustic principles. Yes. Old company from America. Yes. So we open up. I had a 12-inch sub before, Dolly, and now I sold my 2 sub 10-inch from Swedish Audio Pro. Yes. Something new. There. Big monster. Klipsch. This is good packed. Yes. Here it is. Beauty. So I try to get this up from the box. It's heavy. Oh my god. It's this to have on my new sub in front. There it is. This there, and some power. Klipsch preference subwoofers. Keepers of the sound. Yeah, the monster user manual. Proud, Loud and Proud signed 1946. Here you have 10 inch, 12 inch, 15 inch. Here is R-110, and this we got now, it's 12 inch and 15. Please check property transit damage, carefully unpack your new speaker system, blah blah blah. Yeah, sub in the corner, always in the corner. 2 sub, no, we have only 1, should be enough. Klipsch powered subwoofer are designed to reproduce deep bass and delivered impact, blah blah blah. Yes, 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 we know. Yeah, okay. Here it is. Pace. Line in. Yes, it's a big sub.